Tieni.
Project. So this is my new house, and I need some stuff. There is a table here. This is the tabletop. I'm gonna sew this.
All the slots together. I'm gonna use these pieces like this to connect everything up. So Ozun is gonna cut them and pre-drill the holes. All the pieces together, and this is the piece that's gonna hold everything together. We marked the places to drill the holes. Last one in. This is all of them connected. We're doing this
Nice and smooth
for this one also. This is everything connected, all three. Now Ozun is gonna flip it. Looking real good. We need to cut the ends off and sand it, of course, but it looks good. We've clamped this metal piece with the saw blade. We're gonna cut it, and I put some painter's tape on it so it wouldn't chip the edges. This is the tabletop, all cut up. Nice and straight. Now we're gonna destruction. Now Ozun is making this piece. These are the markings for the screws. Two of them are gonna go like this, and the two like that, and also this one like that. So it connects to the slab itself and to the leg. Now we're pre-drilling the holes, so there's a place for the screw to go in. This is it. Now we're sanding it down, and we need to add some finish, but it's standing real good. It's nice and sturdy. Satisfied with the outlook.
Now we're gonna add finished.
This is how it's looking. In place. Like and sub for more.